Ever feel like your bank account is trolling you? You get paid and then poof, it's gone. Let's spill the tea on the habits that are messing with your money.
Most people don't get this, but being good with money isn't about being a math genius. It's about having the right money moves. Here are 7 habits that are keeping you broke.
Ignoring them won't make them disappear. That interest is a silent killer. Trying to keep up with your friends' lavish Insta posts. That's a one-way ticket to debt.
3. FOMO spending. Trying to keep up with your friends' lavish Insta posts. That's a one-way ticket to debt.
4. Forgetting to budget. You wouldn't go on a road trip without a map, right? Your money needs a plan too. Thinking investing is for rich people. There are apps that let you start with just a few bucks. Don't miss out on that glow up.
If this hit home, smash that like button, follow for more Real Talk Money tips, and let's get this bread together.